Let's install our integrated development environment and set it up to program ESP32Cam. First thing you want to do is to go to the official Arduino webpage and download the latest version. The IDE is free, but you can donate something to Arduino if you can. After downloading the stuff, just run the installer. I bet you know how that works. After installation, the IDE opens with an empty sketch like this. The next step I would suggest is to open my code. In the latest upload, I added some valuable tips at the preamble we could use now. The comments up here summarize the dependencies you need. But first, let's enter the hacker mode by choosing a sick color scheme from the Preferences menu. This will improve your coding skills by 100%. Trust me. I always go with the darkest theme, but feel free to use a weak one. Let's take care of the dependencies now. To install the needed board package for ESP32Cam, we need to copy-paste this link into the additional board manager URLs under Preferences. Now we can open the board manager and search for ESP. You will find the package from Espressif. That is the one we need. But don't go for the latest version since it fucks up our code completely. Go with 1.0.6. Later versions may or not be okay, but I was too lazy to test that. 1.0.6 is fine. In order to use the PC or board, we need to link the Adafruit PWM servo library. You can search the library manager for that and install it. In contrast to the latest board package of Espressif, the latest version here is not slowing our controller down till it computes backwards. Thanks for that, Adafruit. And that should be all we need. Now apply the setting under Tools to tell the IDE what chip we would like to program. The COM port will be different from yours. If you are not sure, connect your ESP to your computer and see which port shows up. Using an FTDI adapter, connect 5 volts from the FTDI to 5 volt on the ESP. Connect ground from the FTDI to G&D on the ESP. Connect TX from the FTDI to RX on the ESP. Connect RX from the FTDI to TX on the ESP. Make sure to cross-connect TX and RX correctly. As soon as the controller is recognized by the computer, press on Verify. That is the circle with the hook inside. As soon as the compilation is successful, we know that there are no dependencies missing. Next logical step is to upload the code to the controller. Therefore, press the Upload, which is the arrow directly beside the Verify knob. As soon as you see this stitch here, it is a good approach to quickly press the Reset button of the ESP. If you see this, you fucked up, and most likely did not press the Reset button, or the connections are not made correctly. This is what a successful upload looks like. So let's try out our masterpiece. To connect to the Wi-Fi of the ESP, remove the bridge jumper from pin 0 to ground and repower the ESP. Open your Wi-Fi settings and search for the SSID. If you did not change it, it should be the robot's name. Type in the password and connect. Now copy the IP from the code's preamble and paste it to the browser. And there it is, your very own robot interface. Well done. The next video will be about the legs, so stay tuned.